Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of MGUY. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at the R8, which is currently in the process of being rebuilt at the Audi Centre Sydney. So here's some video I took earlier this week. So we're just at the Audi Centre Sydney service department, just over behind my shoulder there. We just thought it would be good to call in and take a look at how the rebuild of the R8 is going. And Andrew is the service guy who's been dealing with it. He's been great, and he was very happy to show me the progress since the harness arrived. So the harness arrives in one piece, and it has to be threaded through the entire car from the very front to the very back. So it's a fairly labor intensive kind of job, as you can imagine. But take a look at some of this video, because it's really interesting to see the car in pieces, and also to remind myself what an amazing looking car it is. And I'm already getting excited for when it'll be back in my garage, which shouldn't be too long, could be next week. This is what the old harness looks like when it's been pulled out of the car. The car's up on a hoist at the moment so that they can get easy access to the front and rear bumper areas. As you can see, they've had to strip down virtually the entire front end of the car to feed all the wiring through the body into the front section of the car for things like lighting and park sensors and various other electrical devices. Gives you a great view of the structure of the car. I was able to check the frame rails, and fortunately no cracks there, as that is an issue that sometimes occurs. The interior similarly has been stripped down and will be rebuilt once the wiring harness is completely installed and tested. I'm starting to get excited to have the car back, especially after so long. It's been 8 months. It could be back as early as next week, although I'm anticipating that something may happen to delay that, so I'm not holding out too much hope, but it would be great to have it back next week. It was interesting because I was driving this morning on the Pacific Highway and saw an R8, a Gen 1 R8, drive past me, and I thought how amazing it looked on the road, and I really have forgotten what it's like certainly to drive, and also its presence on the road is something that I've really missed. So really looking forward to getting the R8 back. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like. It would be great to have you as a subscriber. Hit that notification bell. You can follow me on Instagram at mguy.tv or Twitter at mguy_TV. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.